Welcome to Draw with Sean. Today, we have a special request from a young gentleman named Elliot. Over the next few videos, we'll be drawing some sea creatures he asked for, starting with an octopus. So grab your pencil or marker and let's get started. Okay, let's begin drawing our octopus. And we're going to begin by drawing a circle. And this will be our octopus head and body. And take your time drawing your circle. I like to draw my circles 1/2 at a time. It helps me keep the shape. It's hard for me to draw a perfect circle like that, but everyone's different. So if you want to draw your circle in one felt swoop, by all means do that. Next, we want to draw our octopus face. What I'm going to do is going to draw 2 smaller circles. This. And this will be his eyes, or her eyes, depending on what you'd like your octopus to be. And then I'm drawing a pupil, like this. And then I'm going to draw a nice big smile. Just like that. And we can color in the pupils too. I'm going to color in black since I'm using black today, but you can use any color you'd like when you're doing your drawing. There we are. So this is our octopus head and body. Now we need to draw arms, and an octopus has 8 tentacles. So let's draw 8, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to draw this first one. I'm going to draw it down, and I'm going to put some curve to this octopus arm, since they can bend their arms all sorts of directions. So this is one. And let's draw one on this side. Here's another, is 2. Three. And you can have fun with where these arms are bending. We're going to have him use all different directions. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. 6. Where do we want this other one? Right up here. 7. And 8. And what do our octopus have on the bottom of their tentacles to grab onto things? They have these little suction cups. And I'm going to draw mine like this. And you can draw a lot of them or a little of them. So how many do I have on this arm? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm putting 5 on my octopus, but you can use however many you would like. And on the shorter arms, we will use a little less. Same thing with this arm. Octopus are incredible sea creatures. They can change shapes, colors, texture. They can look like the objects in the sea. They are really a remarkable sea creature. And if you don't know a lot about octopus, I would highly recommend you ask your parents, whoever looks after you, to show you a little bit more about octopus, because they are a magical sea creature. And there we have it. Here is our octopus. And if you want to try your octopus in different shapes, you can absolutely do that again. You can draw your octopus taller. We used a circle today. There's so many fun ways that you could draw this octopus. Let's take a look at what we've created today. Are you proud of it? Did it turn out the way you expected, or does it look a little different? I want you to know that I am proud of you. Let's put our name on our drawing together. Do you know why it's important to put your name on your drawing? because you took the time to do your best and you finished what you started. And that is something special. Remember, keep practicing, take your time, and always be proud of what you create, even if it doesn't turn out exactly how you imagined. You are perfectly you, always learning and getting better. I can't wait to draw with you again, and I'll see you again soon. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I'd love to see your amazing artwork. Parents, if you'd like to share your child's drawing, make requests, or send feedback, you can message me on Instagram. Draw with Sean is a brand new channel, and your support makes a big difference. Liking and subscribing really helps us grow and reach more kids, and it truly means the world to me. I can't wait to see and share what you've all created.